Thank you. I'm glad you said you like states being the laboratories of democracy. Voters and legislators in 12 states have passed laws protecting the seriously ill who use medical marijuana with their doctor's approval and supervision. This has the support of 80% of the public, 74% of doctors, the American Nurses Association, Institute of Medicine, New England Journal of Medicine, American Academy of Family Physicians. The list goes on, sir, with medical support. In Nevada, you said you would have these patients and their doctors raided and arrested for using and prescribing this under these state laws.
No, well, you were asked, you know, it's a good question, but you don't need to mistake what I said.
Okay, sorry, sir. You were asked if you would continue or end the raids. You said you would continue the raids on patients. That was in Nevada, the conservative forum.
No, you know, what I said is I continue to enforce the law as it is, and in my view, the law ought to be that medical marijuana is illegal. Marijuana is the gateway to illegal drug use in this country. Drug use is a plague on American society. I want to eliminate it. I do not want to expand it. And the healthcare professionals in this room will tell you that there are synthetic ways of providing the pain relief associated with marijuana. And we do not have to have marijuana being prescribed, and we all know how that can be abused. And as a result of that, I'm not in favor of medical marijuana being prescribed. I think that's the wrong course. I want to fight every way I can against illegal drugs in this country. And in my view, expanding marijuana is not the right way to go for America.
So may I politely ask you, sir? May I politely ask you then, sir, will you then continue these raids on patients?
I don't do any particular raids, but we'll follow the law. All right, and when you say I'm not familiar with what they're doing in Nevada personally. I'm in Massachusetts, all right, and that was where I was governor, and I believe in following the law, and I also believe that medical marijuana is a, if you will, a Trojan horse for bringing in marijuana into our society, and I think that's the wrong way to go. I think the far better way to go is to treat people with other medications that are available and synthetic marijuana that provides the same pain relief that could be received by marijuana. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Mr. Romney, I spent 20 years in the Army.